Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Capricorn. So watch this video if you're a Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit and check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, the link is in the description. Now let's see messages for Capricorn. Alright, so first let's see your general messages. Give me general messages for Capricorn. Ooh, love is coming towards you. I see somebody is having a lot of love. Somebody is coming with a lot of love towards you. I see some sort of good news coming in. So if you're not interested in love, then I see this is a good news coming in. So if you have been looking for a job, then I think that you might get a job opportunity from distant land. All right, so maybe from a different city, different country, or whatever. But you know, Knight of Cups is a major energy of love coming towards you. So yeah, if you are here for a love reading, then this is definitely a confirmation that somebody who's very loving, very caring, very gentle, almost like a sugar daddy or a sugar mama kind of person coming towards you, want to take care of you and all of that. They want to provide for you. They're going to nurture you and all of that. So that's that. And yeah, if you had been looking for a job, and I see a good news coming in from a distant land. All right. Some of you might also be going travel. So maybe you're having plans for the holiday season. So you might be traveling very soon. So that can be that. Five of Pentacles. Some of you also need to take care of your money and your health. And in health, especially your legs. All right. For most of you, I think this is money message. So you really need to take care of your health these days. Maybe you're not paying attention, and maybe there is something related to your money as well which you are not paying attention, so you might be very careless, and then somebody might just take advantage, so be very careful. All right, but yeah, I definitely see work opportunities coming towards you. If you were having some sort of financial crunch, I see you are going to have an opportunity which is going to compensate for that. Some of you will be doing something in a team or a group, and things are going to be very well, and you will also be recognized for your effort. All right, so that's that. Some sort of happiness which is going to come from teamwork is what I see. See, definitely I see you will be recognized, some sort of recognition coming in. So it's like a work done well. Maybe a project was given to you, or maybe a task was given to you in your workplace, and you did it really well. And I see now you're going to be rewarded for it, or you will be recognized for it. Okay, so I see that. And if you're single, then I see love, definitely love coming towards you. Now we'll see a love reading. So this was your general message. So what is a love for my Capricorns? What's the present energy for Capricorn and love? King of Wands. Okay. What's the blockage? Chariot. Bottom of the deck is Four of Swords. I see you're not paying attention towards love these days. You might be trying to isolate yourself from love, I think. So you're not very keen on finding love. Rather than that, you're trying to focus on your money, stability, your work. You're trying to take control of your situation a lot these days. Yeah, so when it comes to love, I see things are not happening. And that might be because somebody is very stubborn. So maybe you want somebody to confess, and they're very stubborn to do that. And I see that you're trying to just isolate yourself from the situation. For these days, I see you're not paying attention. Definitely. You're just trying to isolate yourself from drama. Anything that brings drama to the situation, you're not interested. These days, I see you're just trying to rest, rejuvenate, and just trying to make a strategy for what's coming towards you next. All right. And I see there was somebody who was trying to take control of you. Like they were just trying to, dominate you, and you just walked away from it. So this person was trying to control you, and you just left the situation. So you were like, who will you control, motherfucker? I'm gonna be out of the situation. So that could be that. Okay, what's coming towards Capricorn next? Six of Wands again. I see some sort of victory coming towards you for sure. You are going to be very victorious in something. I don't know what you're doing, but it's going to be recognized in a big way. So get ready to have some fame. Some of you might be doing something which is related to being famous, and you were hoping to be recognized. Some of you might actually go viral. I don't know what you're doing, but yeah, I see some sort of victory and recognition coming in for a work done well. And when it comes to love, I see there are options in love. So you might not realize, but people are having their eye on you. So you have more than one option. And you are just busy focusing on your own self. You think you don't want to focus on love for now, but love want to focus on you. What is Capricorn's feelings toward this person? World card. Some of you, you're just trying to close this chapter and move on. You think you deserve something better. You think you deserve someone who's not as controlling. Like anybody tries to control you or just trying to manipulate you, you don't want them. So you might be not controlling, completing the cycle and move on. Some of you, you're just trying to change your place, maybe. You're trying to release things. Anything that holds you back, you're releasing it. You're very much in control of your own situation. See, Moon card. You don't want to make a decision about the situation because this person was giving you pain, and when you look back, you feel a lot of pain. So you are trying to suppress your pain and you're trying to move forward. You don't want to acknowledge whatever happened in the past. Like, you don't want to see it. You just want to focus on your own stability. So you're trying to distract yourself with other things. You don't want to focus on what happened in the past, who said what, and all of that. You're just trying to isolate yourself and have your own peace of mind. Somebody just confused you so much. I see this person maybe was not making a decision about you, and they kept on confusing you. They kept on hiding things from you, kept on not giving you commitment, and then you just got tired of them. And now you're very determined to release this person is what I see. Okay, what is coming towards Capricorn next in love? Sun card. There's a soulmate connection coming towards you. It's a very beautiful connection. Here also we had the Six of Wands, and again we have the Sun card. Some of you, there's a fire sign that's coming towards you next. This person is going to be very persuasive. So yeah, they are very determined to be in your life. And they want to be there for long term. I see a soulmate connection, definitely. And I see this person is going to give you the kind of recognition or the worth, the self-worth that you wanted from them. Like, you wanted somebody to recognize your self-worth, and this person is going to do it. This person is going to put you at the pedestal, you know. However, I see that you are not paying as much attention when it comes to love. Like, you were hoping for a connection, but then when things did not happen, you walked away. So you don't have much hopes from your love life. That's why you're trying to divert all your attention to work and money. But I see somebody very stable coming towards you. And this looks like a soulmate energy. You know, Sun card is a soulmate. And then again, Empress is marriage. So yeah, there could be a very committed relationship that's coming towards you, which you least expect. See, I don't think you expect this at all, Capricorn. I see that you are just trying to divert your attention to something else, you know, but there is like love coming towards you. Some of you, this person could be a friend of yours, so maybe a friend turning into a relationship, or you might meet this person at a get-together or a, I don't know, like a friend's, you know, reunion or whatever. Someone just wants to have your attention. Like, this person wants you to notice them. You might not be noticing them, but they want you to notice them. And I also see your past person is still lurking in. So there could be a past person who will not giving you commitment and keeping you in the dark, and they still keep tabs on you. So be very careful. This person is still very sneaky as hell. Queen of Cups. See, I see this person was just not accepting their relationship with you. They never really told anybody that you guys were dating, and now they keep on keeping tabs on you. So be very careful, because somebody is still very secretive and manipulative. Focus on this energy that's coming towards you. I see a very beautiful connection coming towards you. Ten of Swords. You also need to pay attention to the cycles that are coming to end, because if something has come to an end and it was toxic, you need to let it end, all right? So I see that as much as you're very determined to move forward in life, there might be something which still keeps you stuck. So you need to let go of whatever is toxic, all right? Because I see this person also tries to stay in your energy, like they keep tabs on you, they try to maybe drop hints here and there, and then you kind of get disturbed. So it's like you walk ahead in life and then this person do something and then you're kind of pulled back. Cut this person out, cut this energy out, all right? I see something toxic has come to an end, let it end. Don't try to go back to the same cycle over and over again, all right? See, Temperance, balance your own life, nurture your own garden, because I see good opportunities coming towards you. Some of you, there's like money opportunity coming in, something in your career very significant, a good news coming in, and all of this is going to happen when you focus on your own healing. Some of you need to practice some healing, so maybe practice meditation, journaling, or whatever. And I see something was revealed to you and some sort of truth came out to you so that you could realize things and move forward in life. So even after seeing the reality of somebody, don't try to go back to them, all right? So that's like a reminder for you here again and again. See, you came out of a toxicity with a lot of effort and you have elevated your life since then a lot. You have worked yourself a lot. And now I see universe is giving you a new relationship. Don't try to go back to toxicity. Focus on your old self. Keep doing the good work that you're doing, because I see some of you these days, you have been working a lot on yourself. I see new opportunities coming both in love and finance. So yeah, your life is taking turns and I see it's taking turns fast. Some of you, there's more than one option that's interested in you. More than one option in love. However, one person looks like a soulmate to me, so just pay attention. Give me message for Capricorn. I have trust issues. You have trust issues. I see, definitely. That's why you're not trying to pay attention to love. You don't trust anybody, right? We need this time apart from each other for the best. So some of you might be wanting more time to heal. So take as much time, but don't try to go back to the toxicity. I want to focus on my career right now. See, this is all you. You are very stubborn. You're very closed off to love is what I see. I'm working hard for our future. Some of you are working hard for your future. That's why you feel you don't have time for love. I'm sorry I disconnected from you, this person. Still lurking back. This person might tell you things like, oh, I'm sorry I disconnected. However, I don't think you're as much interested in them. You mesmerize me. See, there is someone else who's very much mesmerized by you. I see love coming in for sure, and it's a stable love. Some of it's a soulmate connection. Alright, some of you were manifesting it and now it's here. But because it took so much time, now you're frustrated. Flirt. You need to be more light-hearted in your energy. I think you're taking things very seriously. So don't be so serious, alright? You don't know when life is going to come to end. So don't be so serious in life. Have fun. Give me message for Capricorn. Heart-to-heart conversation and trust. Some of you have major trust issues. You need to work upon them. I see some heart-to-heart conversations. I see somebody's approaching you and it's a soulmate connection. Like somebody very trustworthy, very reliable. They want to take care of you. There's definitely love coming towards you. But before that, you need to work on your trust issues because you have developed major trust issues because of your past. So work upon that, all right? I see that you're working on your goals, your ambitions and all of that. Good job. But you also need to take care of your love life, all right? So yeah, that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. You guys take care, stay safe, bye.